So I just pulled up to a Supercar Fest little meet here. I just skipped all the drive and everything for you guys so that you didn't have to deal with all the boring part. And we are here now. I did not put my car in the show, so we're just gonna be a spectator and go ahead and check out the show in the exotic car, because it is a Supercar Fest. And this is not a supercar unless you really squint your eye. If you squint hard enough, it might look like an R8. Some breeze out today. Yeah, let's see if there's any action over there. Man, look at that. GTI. Man, this color's hard. A door. Damn. This thing is super clean. Look at that. Damn, guys. I've not seen one of those in person before. The Tiffany blue one thing is hard. Damn, someday. Big ass carbon diffuser. That track hub is like. Clean. What's that smell though? Dang, yo, this shit's smoking, bro. Why's it smoking? Watch out, guys. This shit about to explode and shit. Damn. Carbon everything though. Look at that. Carbon fucking fenders. The whole car's like carbon though. Hella clean. Yeah. Carbon fucking everything inside, bro. Yeah. Even the back seat's carbon. The baby seat's probably carbon, bro. Two big ass Nas bottle back here. That's crazy. That's crazy. Damn, this shit is sweet, bro. You got the BMW lineup over here. M5, M3. Which one will you guys take? M3, M5, or M3 CS? Which one will y'all take? I'll probably take this one right here. Shit's fire. The lineup right here though is crazy with a Vet, the R7, and the M5. I think that's fully electric too. That shit is hard as fuck. The RS6 over here too. That purple in the RS6 is super clean. I don't even know if that's like a wrap or original paint. My man needs a wash though. And LP700 though. This thing is nice. V12. Look at the engine in the back though. Golly. You see right through that shit. Damn, this thing's so hard. You are still thinking about points at this point. Damn, look at this Ferrari, guys.
We have Jonathan here from Ferrari Washington, so he's going to help you out in some way.
Hella shiny.
Beautiful. Thanks for coming out, man.
Man, this color is fire, bro. It's like a fire engine song. I still love them GTRs. Is he back at it again? That's a Supra. This R8. The rap on this R8 is so loud. It's so loud. Z activities. God damn. Wasn't that shit just smoking like 10 minutes ago, bro? Damn. Evo with big turbo. This thing is probably fast as shit. It's probably like 1,500 horsepower. Look at this Ferrari. Wow. I don't know Ferrari that well, so like, I don't know what this is. Man, this is insane. Sheesh. You got a yours right next to it. White and black with red guts. Damn, red guts in there looks nice. AMG GTR. These are super bad too, yo. These are like super nice. Damn. You know, I really like the forged carbon. Should I switch like traffic? So I switched the carbon on my S4 to forged carbon. Like the forged carbon is different. Not a lot of people have the forged carbon. So this purple wrap is nice. The wheels on there is nice too. Damn. Yeah, I need a lamb so bad, bro. I need a lamb so bad, man. This angle though is just like perfect, bro. There's a gem sitting in the corner over here that nobody really cares about. Didn't have a wash yet. And there's a 6-speed too. Look at that. And it might be a 6-speed. It's boosted for sure. I see a turbo in the front. Dang. This shit's a gem just sitting over here by itself. Damn, this shit's sweet. Damn, look at that fresh OEM everything. Lime green 720S. This color is super nice. I've been in like my bright phase color mode lately. I just love how the interior of these cars are. It's just amazing. The suicide doors and everything, that's insane. Dang. What you guys think? A McLaren, a Lamb, or a Ferrari? I love the way the taillights of these 720S. It looks like me. You can't really even tell. Damn, look at that. Damn, 458 pulled up.
Yeah, so you can pass that tent, you'll see all of the cars. I walk down there.
This color is fire. It's so nice. I think this is the first 458 here. Damn. This one is hard as hell. That big turbo Evo. This thing is sick. It sounds good too.
Turn it up. Take you a
Man, this thing's sweet. That gas money. You got that free gas money. Yo, I didn't realize this thing was also twin turbo, bro. I didn't get to peep because everybody was in the way. But this thing is fucking twin turbo, bro. That's crazy. No wonder why it sounds crazy. Look at the tire. Look at the drag pack, all of it. Damn. It's crazy, bro. Red guts inside. Welds. So we actually pulled over with the 440. Jermaine, that's the owner, cool ass dude. That wasn't really even a run. I was trying to tell him that my car was heat soaking, and it was just like all sloppy. So it was just like all fun. But his car is super fast. He said it was like 568 horsepower.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, man, that's awesome. Man. It has red interior too. That's insane.
But I've
Apex
had it
wheels.
since 2018. So I bought it new, and it's 9 years old, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
I've done a lot to it.
Is it lowered?
Yeah, it has HR.
Okay. I was wondering, I was like, it sits a lot lower than it is, because I know the Grand Sport, like the rear always sticks up a little bit.
But you can't see it because
Oh, Pier 750?
Yeah, it's tucked back in there. So
is it the bottom mount or mid mount?
Mid mount.
Mid mount.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool.
But no, it runs. You know, she's rough, dude. I done put years into this thing.